If you are new to Seint, I'm gonna show you how to apply it like the easiest way. Keep in mind that this way might not work for you. You just have to play around with the makeup and see what way you like best and what's best for your skin type and your skin tone and things like that. So I'm just gonna do a simple paint by numbers, one layer of makeup, how this is actually like designed. And then you can always go back in and spot treat. People think that like, oh, you just did like the cheetah hack or the paint by numbers. I still could see redness. You can go back in and spot treat. That's totally fine. What works best for me might not work best for you, and that's totally okay. I like to apply my makeup using my fingers, honestly, because you use less product that way. So we're gonna start with my concealer. So I am, my finger, just dipping right in with my finger. This is White Peach. And I like to put this on my inner corner, outer corner. This is to like give lift to the eyes. Right down my nose here. Cupid's bow, or Cupid's bow and my chin. Okay, you can leave that sit. And then we're actually gonna go in with my darker color. This is Mango. So I have a lot of redness in my cheeks. So I'm going to place this here, and I have a little bit on my chin, and then I'm only putting like a touch here because I'm gonna go in with my main shade, which is Candlelit, just to like add like a little bit of brightness back there. And then, because this shade is closest to my skin tone, but I need that color corrector. Now we're gonna go in with my contour. So this is Olive, and you can do the dots, you can do the lines, whatever way you want to. My jawline. I usually don't do my bronzer or my lip and cheek yet, but I think I'm gonna wait to do that. 3D brush. I love this brush when just starting out. And I'm just going to kind of start in the center of my face where I put that brighter shade. And just press it in. And if you leave the creams on your skin, like the longer you leave them on, they're warming up to your skin, making it easier to blend. Okay. Look how like easy this is like blending out. And cream is like so good, especially if you have like dry, mature skin. And there's no mistakes with this makeup. Like none. You apply this makeup however you want to. And then everybody's favorite part, I like to tap it in and then kind of like push it up, because you're lifting the face, you don't want to bring it down. So just pressing it in and lightly buffing it up. Look. I'm just switching brushes. This is the blend brush, and this is Bella Bronzer. This is Glow Illuminator, and I honestly just like to swirl my brush into both, okay? And kind of apply this like you would your bronzer, the high points of your face. And then I just like to blend all over with that. Do you see how like dark it is in the tin? But it's not, because it blends so sheer. Sorry guys, I did my blush. I actually recorded it for a different video, so I apologize, but I did use Black Cherry, and I'm going to swatch it for you guys right here. This is Black Cherry. It is a gloss. It looks so much darker than it actually is. So I'm going to use this as my blush. Just always start with like a little bit, because you can always go back in and add more. The only thing I did was fill in my brows, a simple eyeshadow look. And if you guys want to see that, I'd be more than happy to. I used one color, and that was Claire, on my eyes. And then I just added some mascara and eyeliner. Then I did my blush here. And then I can also use the same color for my lipstick. So hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.